Most people overcomplicate making money with AI. So, I challenged myself to build a $500 AI service in just 7 days. Using free tools, no coding, no experience. Here's exactly what I did. Step 1, pick a simple service. I searched Fiverr and Upwork for AI content repurposing. Creators are paying $50 to $150 per batch of shorts. High demand, low competition, beginner friendly. Step 2, build the workflow. I used 3 tools: Opus Clip or Dummy to auto-clip long videos, CapCut to add captions, zooms, and B-roll. Step 3, create a portfolio fast. I grabbed 3 YouTube videos from creators who allow reuse, ran them through my workflow, made clean before and after examples. Instant portfolio. Step 4, get clients. I messaged 20 creators with this exact line. Hey, I turned one of your videos into a viral style short. Want me to make 10 more for $50? 5 replied. 2 paid immediately. That is $100 on day 1. Step 5, scale to $500. Once I had proof, I offered a weekly package. 10 shorts per week, $125 per week, cancel anytime. 4 clients equals $500+ per week. This is the easiest AI service I have ever tested. No audience needed, no editing skills needed. Just a simple workflow anyone can copy. If you want the exact workflow, DM script, and templates, comment AI service and I will drop everything.